Welcome to another episode of Vibe Coding or Coding with AI. For today's episode here, I'm going to show you how I created this nice website, this very fine website with AI for a brand that does exist here. So what they do is that they make cakes. So they make cakes, small chop pastries, and surprise packages for people that want to be surprised. Because me, I'm actually surprised that this particular AI is building this thing. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I created this from scratch. It's not really hard. It's not complicated. Nothing. Very easy to do. So even a 10 years old, 10 years old child can actually do this. So if you are new to the channel, my name is King UC and I review website. I check out different kind of website, AI websites, website for you to get assets. If you are into web development, if you're into data analyst, so whatever field you're into. So I do the research. I go out there to like outsource for any kind of website that you need. Then I do review of it to see how best you can use it to achieve what you want to achieve. So if you like this kind of content, do it to subscribe, do it to comment on my post, engage on my post. These are little things that give me more motivation to go out there and make your life a little bit easier. So yeah, if you stick to the end, you're going to gain a lot. So yeah, without wasting much of your time, let me show you how I created this. So when you get to the website, this is how the website look like. Just have to go to the website www.aura.build. So when you get to the website, this is how it looks like. This is how the first page look like. Then I'm logged in already, just in case you've not logged in. So I'm logged in, and they give you a daily prompt of like 3 and monthly prompt of like 10. So I've used one from it just to test the website before I do a review for you guys. So you have the create page, which is the very first page, which is the landing page. Then you have templates. So they have a lot of templates here. Some are paid for, some are free. So you can just select from type, upcoming web, blah blah blah. So let's say I click on this one. So this is the web templates basically. So how do you get this? Start your ritual. This is clean, I'm not going to lie. So this is clean, actually very clean. Let me see if I can navigate to other pages, or it's a one page website. So it's more like a landing page actually. Then how do I get it if I want it? So let me just see. This is a design too for mobile app. Mine, I don't have any design. Popular animations. So honestly, there's no. So how do I make use of these templates? Because if I should click, well, this is nice though, honestly. I wonder why there's no place for me to like copy or do anything. So I think that's making the whole thing hard. But this is clean. This is clean, I'm not going to lie. It's more like a landing page. Let me just remove this. I'm not seeing where to get these things from, or how to even use it itself. Do I have to like switch to pro before I can use it? Well, I think everything here is pro. So I'm going to check. I think these are templates. Let me see components. So these are components. These are component 2. Loading components, blah blah blah. So let's see. So for the components, you can actually get the code. So it's paid for. So it's paid for. If I can get component, I have to like pay. I see why. But I feel it would have been easier if okay, this one is pro, then animated full page Aura background overlay. So let me see this particular thing. I've seen this component in a lot of designs, in a lot of website actually. Sometimes you wonder how they get it, but why is it okay? Show you now. So this particular background, this neat. It's very fine. So you can just copy the code. I think get the code. Then you can just copy and use. So that's one. So I think that makes sense, a lot of sense. So the free ones are free on it. The pro one has pro on it. So all these ones are free. Then we have some pro version, pro, free, bento grid. Then this template component, let's check assets. I don't think I have anything here, so I don't really have anything here. So yeah. Then move to learn. Probably want to learn about how to use it, how to pro for UIs, blah blah blah, master customization, image to HTML with AI, and other things that you can learn and do with the website. So you have tips for prompting, typography prompting, styling prompting, animation prompting, and any other thing. And yeah, it's not completely free. So let's see the pricing. Basic is free. This is where I am currently. So you can use it for a while. 2 page per project. Personal use only. So yeah, it is fair. Some website they don't give you ability to even use the website at all. So I think this is fair. Aura.build. So thank you. Then the pro is $16.67 per month. The 3.33, it's 3.33. So yeah, this is fair. Then change log, design to evolution timeline, blah blah blah. So this one I don't report that. So now let's create something with this website to see. We have dark moonlight mode, so let's just create something with the website. So I'm going to go back to the front page then, but first I'm going to I'm going to head over to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT can give me my prompts that I will be giving to this particular web builder. So I have some. So I want to use AI web builder to build a landing page company for this particular thing. So I'll just press enter and see what ChatGPT will give to me. So this is the prompt ChatGPT gives to me. Prompt: build a modern, elegant, blah blah blah, plenty of things. So let's say, let me just add these 3 things. Just say yes. Let me just say yes. So it will add the other things, full copyright script for each section. So I'm just going to paste this thing here, but let me just change the color. Let me upload the color palette first. So let me just look for that. So after prompting ChatGPT and giving it the right color, so final AI builder prompt, Victoria invent flavor landing page. So this is what ChatGPT gave. This is the brand color: primary red, soft cream, accent good, and all that. So ChatGPT gave a detailed prompt, more like the landing page content, everything entirely. So I'm just going to copy this. I hope this. Let me just copy from here to. Let's just start from here. Prompt: build a. So then to this place. Then I'll just head back to the AI builder. So this the AI builder. Then I'll paste everything. Then I'll just paste everything here. So this is my prompt. So if you are confused, you don't really know how to create prompt, just use ChatGPT. Explain everything you want to create on ChatGPT, then ChatGPT will help you with the nice prompt. Then build a beautiful modern eye converting for tutorial, blah blah blah. Use, so I give this thing all the details that I need. So I'm just going to see if I can upload one logo. Can I upload the logo? So attach a file. So I can actually attach a file. So I will. So this is the logo. I have not exported this logo. So let me just see this one. This is the logo. Image, we use ChatGPT 5 for generation. Then click on. So let me just add that I uploaded the logo. I give. That's the logo I uploaded. So just don't find, that's the logo I uploaded. So let me just click enter. Tutorial, blah blah blah. So let's see. So I'm going to give it a little time. So it's analyzing my request, which is going to like take a while before it starts building. So it has started building. So let's just hold and see. So I think I made just one mistake. I should have given it the proper font that I want to use for this particular project. Tutorial, events, and flavor, blah blah blah. Okay, it's building it. Okay, I think our navbar is coming to life. So it builds it with speed. So the difference between this and other web builders that I've seen is that this particularly is for design. So it's not this builder that can just create multiple pages. Probably want to use Next.js, like Vue, the Dev, Lovable that uses Vite, or some other website builder that use all these frameworks like React, Vite, and Next.js. So this is just more like a one-page website using HTML and CSS to like build your website, but it's super fast and it's cool. So you get details online like your font, your color, placeholder images, and things like that. So which is super cool, if I'm being honest. So I'm just going to give it some time, then we'll come back to it. So okay. So this is super clean. Yes, this is clean. So we have the navbar here, though it did not make use of the image I uploaded. So I'm not going to blame it, the AI, for it. So other things makes a lot of sense, like how clean it is, the positioning of everything, starting from the navbar. So he added more flavor to the content I gave to it. So because I don't even know the content I gave to it exactly. So we have, okay, there's a little thing missing here. Get a code. This is supposed to be a call to action button, but it is where. So chat on WhatsApp, order now. The text, the color combination that I gave to it, so he used it so well that I am honestly proud of it. Yeah. Then we have this other section, featured menu, then simple transparent pricing. Like everything is functional. You can actually click this. So if you wish to continue building the project, you can. Then we have get WhatsApp code, send other details, then testimonial. We have the rating here itself. This is super cool. Then we have the rating, 5-star rating, delivered in Lekki, Lagos, corporate order, Victoria Island, private event, Keja GRA. Like, this makes a lot of sense. Then we have quick order and inquiry form, date, estimate guest, event type. They have a drop down. So they created a drop down also. Then what would you like to order? Submit request. Then we have this chat with tutorial. Guy, this is super clean. If I'm being honest here, this is super clean. So ideally, when I was developing websites here, if I'm to develop this particular landing page, this would take not more than probably a day or two safe to use code to like develop this thing, use theory to like develop this particular thing. So it's going to like take time, if I'm being honest. Yeah. So we have the nav bar, we have the about service, the menu, the pricing, testimonial. So this is a landing page. Yeah. So everything revolves around this one page. So then you can see from here, not just you cannot just preview it, you can check the design also. So you can edit directly from here. Probably you don't like this particular tutorial event and flavor bringing, you can edit it, click on order now to see. You can impute link. Wow. And you can prompt it directly from here, so it makes a lot of sense. Not just that, so we have the text content, the URL, inline CSS, element ID, padding, and the rest. So you can just start it directly from the, what's it called, just click on edit directly, so you don't have to. Why is this still not showing? So I feel these are images that they to get online, so these are online images, that's why it's not showing. But if I'm to preview it, it's going to like show. So we have the fonts, imported fonts, we have like different fonts, font pairing. Gives you a lot of options to like pick fonts, which is super cool. And other websites, you don't really do it. So in terms of color, quick color palette. So can I change this? Let me not go and spoil everything, but let's see. So it did not really change much. Yeah, just changing little details like the text, another thing, but it's not really changing the main color that I gave to it. So let's see dark theme. It tried, but it's not giving me what I want. But then assets, all my images, which is cool. So the way it organized everything is so cool. You can impute components if you want, background, video, and the rest, images. And you can view the code. I think one good thing about this particular AI builder is that you can view the code and just copy and paste directly to maybe VS Code or any code builder, or any project you want to use it on. So you just paste on VS Code, push to GitHub, and you're good to go. Push to GitHub, host it, connect your domain name to it, then use it as a simple landing page. People don't really like AdSense these days, so that's all you can do basically. Then also you can add pages. So for this particular free version, you can create like 2 pages max. So yeah, which is still fair compared to others that I've reviewed, others that I've checked, or they don't really give you the ability to, this flexibility to like just check things out. They want to like pay before you can access anything basically. But let's see, can I export? So I can copy the HTML code, download the HTML, or copy to Figma. You have to pay. So this particular AI builder here, it's more like a design builder. So it just designed for you, compared to others that I've used like Lovable.dev that build full stack applications for you with functionality, backend, front end, and all those things. So for this particular one here, is primarily for design. So, but it does it so well and perfectly fine. Let me see if I can publish. Yeah, I can publish. I can also, wow. So let me just upload this. Okay, the dimension is too big, 800 by 800 pixel, 300 kilobytes. So it's actually big. Think that's all. What I think can I do here? So I cannot share. Can I publish? Okay, required. So preview image is required. So let me just take a screenshot of. So I have to. Let's see this. Share. Just doing something else. So this is for me to like just screenshots. So I'm going to zoom out 300 by 300 pixel, shift it to this place, drag, carry you in, then enter. So it's perfect. So they tried, they actually gave me the ability to screenshot from my Illustrator, which is super nice. Yeah. By the way, I do graphics and also create logos, website design and all. So in case you need any of my service, you can just hit me up. Then why is this thing not working? So this is the problem. You can't actually put it online. You will publish your code and make it visible. Okay, so it's available, so I can share it online. So initially it did not work because the particular URL was taken. So this one makes sense. So let me just share. Let's put this thing online so I can copy the link now and check if it's working. So let me just open another tab. I don't want to use incognito. Then let's see. So one last thing I would like to check here is my website is live, which is super clean. So let me just see the responsiveness, how responsive it is. This is super responsive. The nav bar, the way it drops, everything is so clean. This for iPhone. Let me check for tab. So this super responsive. Check for yeah. It's clean, it's responsive, it works perfectly fine. So less for you to like do more things. Probably you want to build on it, you want to do anything you want to do with it. So that's it. I'm going to attach a link to this particular project in the description. So if you want to check it out, you can. But so please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to like, share your thoughts on the comment section. It's giving me more motivation to like create videos like this, to create more AI website app builder like this. So this is more like a series. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Thank you for staying to the end. So I'll see you guys in the next one.